Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to change the visibility of your email address or the visibility of your phone number on your Facebook profile, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's start, and first of all just simply open up your Facebook app, and then after that just simply tap at that profile picture in the top right corner in order to open up that menu section. Once you come to that menu section, just simply tap at that gear or like to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, just simply tap at privacy checkup. In privacy checkup, just tap at how people can find you on Facebook and tap continue and tap next. And from here you can like change the visibility of your phone number or email address. Just simply tap on it and select the visibility according to your requirements, and also select it for email address. Once you're done with it, just simply tap on next and tap review another topic. So that's how you can easily change the visibility of your Facebook email address or phone number. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you think that this video helped you and you learn how to change the visibility of your Facebook email address or phone number, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and don't forget to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video.